When I first started drawing on shoes, I had no idea that it was something that would turn into a business idea. A lot of people connected with the work that I was doing, and over the course of many years, it grew into 8th generation. It's the workshops that I was doing with youth around custom shoes that became the seed money for 8th generation launching into wool blankets.
I always tell people, I said, there are a lot of experts out there who know all about Metlakatla, but they've never been here. And that's like, you need to come here and see for yourself.
How many of you guys appreciate stories where Native people are working hard year after year after year and then finally achieving success?
Very grateful to be a part of this little group of you guys that are, trying to make a difference for us,
The cultural art of my community is really important to me. I want to show that what we're doing, the artwork that we're creating, our values, the way that we interact with our environment, the whole world needs it and the whole world will appreciate it if we can get it to them.